Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the lightning talk about feedback-based running retraining for impact reduction, the relationship between peak tibial acceleration and step frequency. Previous research reported fewer running injuries following retraining of the running form with the use of feedback for impact reduction. Wow! What if we take the retraining from the lab to the field with the use of motivational biofeedback? We developed a wearable system that is capable of real-time impact detection to provide individualized audio feedback. This feedback consists of music that is distorted at high impacts. But is it effective? Its effectiveness was evaluated in a quasi-randomized controlled trial at 2 test centers. First, runners were screened on their impact level in a lab. Then, 20 high-impact runners followed a 3-week running program in a training center. They were monitored during practice on a 300-meter athletic track. Then experimentals received the music-based feedback on the peak tibial acceleration as the impact measure. They were asked to run with high-quality music and could freely explore motor adaptations for impact reduction. The control group was blinded and received a placebo, being music synchronized to their step frequency. The impacts detected in the training center were substantially reduced in the experimental group by almost 3G or 26%. The control group had no significant change over time. This large reduction of 26% was not significantly different between the 2 test centers. Yes, the music-based feedback was effective. Changes in step frequency is among the documented strategies for impact reduction. However, the variable changes in peak tibial acceleration were not driven by changes in step frequency in the experimental group. This led us to a further investigation. To conclude, feedback-based running retraining was possible out of the lab using reliable, wearable technology. Lower impact running was reproducible in the lab, and the step frequency alteration was no motoric strategy for impact reduction. Do you have a question? Then please drop by, and thanks for listening.